Like many cities, Albany was absolutely disconnected from its riverfront. That happened in the shape of an elevated rail line as well as a massive highway system that cut downtown off from the riverfront.
The idea of getting over to the river was really challenging. You had to wind your way through various streets. Some of those streets were blocked off.
Residents had to navigate through a myriad of parking lots, chain link fences, and narrow roadways and darkened streets with their park gear and their families to gain access to what is rightfully everyone's.
Capitalize Albany undertook a downtown revitalization strategy back in 2014, 2015 that really was identifying connection points, and that connection to the river was so critical.
And I had this meeting with Stantec, and they were rolling out maps of what could be here. And the final one that they rolled out was this crazy idea. And they had this little yellow dotted line that they said, this could be, it's a crazy idea, but this could be a skyway that we build, a linear park, using this ramp from Quay Street over to the city of Albany.
We were standing at some vantage point, stood at a fence, we looked over and said, well, what if that roadway were a park? Is that possible?
It immediately sparked my imagination, and I thought, I want to do that.
So we engaged Stantec to work with a traffic study to understand that it really only was going to add a minute at most to anyone's commute time.
The public had the opportunity to look at hundreds of precedent imagery that we presented. And from that imagery, they actually selected the components. And we strung all those components together like a necklace.
Once we had a design and preliminary concept that was actionable, we were able to take that to Governor Hochul in New York State and show the promise of what the Skyway could deliver. So we were able to use tools and public participation to really be able to show from an economic feasibility analysis and a cost-benefit analysis that this project was going to catalyze growth.
Once we decided we were all in and that this was going to get built, we have a developer that invested $70 million in our downtown. And he has said unequivocally, he would not have invested in the city of Albany were it not for the Skyway. But he saw us doing something cool and different and bold, and he saw that people would want to live near this amenity, that people would want to come here, and that it would drive the growth of our downtown.
Where the Skyway lands in downtown is at a real transition point between the core of downtown and a burgeoning warehouse district that has lofts and energy behind it. The Skyway has really been able to light the imagination of many local real estate developers who are now seeing adjacent real estate in a completely different light.
We have our biggest eyesore in the city of Albany, our cold storage facility, the Central Warehouse, that now has received a $10 million grant from the state to begin the process of reimagining this huge eyesore into amazing space.
The Skyway and its environments created nearly 2 acres of additional park in downtown Albany. It also removed almost an acre of impervious surface that we converted to landscape. So now people in downtown have a walking path to the waterfront park to gain access to the events that are scheduled within the park. It also provides a loop. The Maiden Lane Bridge, which is further to our south, provides a direct connection to the waterfront park and the performance venue from downtown.
And right across from where this ends is a picnic area. And it's an area that many of our families in Arbor Hill use as a venue, whether it's a graduation party, a baby shower. In the summer, you will see balloons and festivities happening where families are taking advantage of being able to use the barbecues and have a great family celebration. And now that's a really easy walk or bike ride. You can do that safely without worrying about traffic, without worrying about your kids. If they rush ahead on their bicycle, it's okay. It's safe, and it's just a wonderful amenity.
It took a masterful team of engineers, public participation specialists, landscape architects, designers to really find a solution that could tackle all of the challenges. And Stantec was able to do that through their multidisciplinary team.
What the city has demonstrated and what the state has demonstrated here in a relatively short period of time is that it can be done. Take the proper steps, conduct that cost-benefit analysis, understand your community, know what their needs are. You can convert a roadway into a linear park.
From the beginning, there was skepticism about being able to do it, thinking it was too far-fetched, that it would never be able to be completed, you'd never get the traction to be able to take on a project so interesting and so big. It was hard, it was difficult, and so the elegant solutions that the Stantec team was able to find to not only address those challenges, but do it in a way that does feel as beautiful as the Skyway turned out, that is inviting.
Recognition from engineering societies, planning, landscape architecture, and urban design professional organizations really demonstrates what it takes to create a venue such as the Skyway, the interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary approach that is required, but also the municipal, the leadership, and the collaboration of the city and state entities to make the project happen.
Sometimes you have to go outside of your comfort zone and be willing to be bold and be willing to be big and be willing not to listen to the people who say, oh, but we're just little Albany. No, you know what? We're the state capital. We're the capital of the Empire State. And this is cool and this is fun and we're going to do it.